loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I got this look. Keep watching. So a couple of things you're going to need. You're going to need rods. You are going to need a brush or a comb to detangle your hair. You are going to need clips to put your hair in place. You are going to need a water bottle to keep your hair moisturized and saturated, as well as a leave-in conditioner to detangle your hair, and of course oil, right? We're going to do the lock method, and also I'm going to try this out for the first time, and this is a styling foam. It's by Carol's daughter. So we'll see how this works. I'm going to go ahead and get this started to show you guys how to do this, and I'm going to go ahead and go to sleep in it, wake up in the morning, and show you how it looks. Okay, so let's get started. So I am starting off on freshly washed hair. As you see, my curl pattern has changed due to the coloring and due to flat ironing my hair, but it's not bad. But I'm trying to stay away from the heat. I've gotten so used to the flat iron hair look that I forgot to love my curls, and this is the result. So anyways, on the side, and this is how I will braid my hair down, going this way and then this way, right? So I'm going to go ahead and part that to that, and then we're going to do that to the side also. I'm going to do them medium sized because that's what works best for me. And let's go ahead and use our leave-in conditioner. I'm going to use the Deva Curl Believe-In today. So I would say that's the dime size, but it's not. It's probably a quarter size. But anyways, I'm going to saturate my hair with this leave-in. Okay. I'm going to finger comb it. So if you don't necessarily need the black castor oil. You can also use coconut oil. This is in the grocery store, in the grocery aisle, where the oil's at, you know. I'm not going to use that today. I'm going to go ahead and just use what I've been using because I've been using it and I'm just going to use it. So that's that. And I'm going to go ahead and saturate my hair. I love this spray bottle. Once again, I've said it in my other videos before. Look at this. I'm like, yes. So anyways, I got that from Sally's about 6 months back. And that thing is a game changer. Do you hear me? It is a game changer. I have different sizes. Show you. So I have like this size, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a mix of it, and then I have this size, even though hair's like, this one's broken, by the way. We're just gonna throw that in the trash. Bam. So okay, you just need some perm rods, and I'm gonna do my section a little bit smaller than this. Let me see. Yeah, that's too thick. So I'm gonna go ahead and part that one in half. And alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this before I braid my hair, and put that in my hair. Go ahead and brush it out again. And as you see, I'm like thinning in this area right here, and I gotta figure out what the heck that is about. I've been trying to put oils and things like that on there, so if you have any idea any idea of any products I can use, let me know. So okay, let me know in the comments. So now I'm just gonna braid, right? So So we're just going to braid this. We're not going to braid it all the way down. We're going to braid it to where there's enough room to put the perm rod on there. Let's see, I want to braid it a little bit more. And so like that, right? So I'm going to go ahead and get my perm rod and keep grabbing another piece of hair. Whoops. And that's it. So we're going to go ahead and do this to the rest of our hair. So now we're going to go back with this again, the styling foam, and we're going to braid again. Okay, so I've completed the back. Obviously you see. Okay. So now that I have this parted, right? Kind of. Okay. I am going to start this side and just braid these. That wasn't nothing. This is my one, yeah. I'm just gonna brush it. I really like this brush, y'all. Like, I really like this brush. Okay, come on, curls. Okay, so I'm gonna stop here. That's how much hair I'm leaving out in the front. I'm gonna grab this pink rod. I have pink and white and gray in my hair, so I did that purposely so that they don't all look the same as far as like the curls, just so it looks a little bit more natural instead of made, you know. So y'all, it's nighttime. I'm ready for bed. I am ready for bed. Lord knows I'm ready. Okay, I wanted to show you this, and this was very random. Like I said, these are much smaller. Speed this up and I'll come back when it's completed. Make sure you're ready for bed. And this isn't so bad to sleep in. This isn't so bad to sleep in. It really isn't. So yeah, put this in. Now I'm ready to go to sleep. I'll wake up in the morning. I'll show you how it looks after I get ready and stuff. See ya. Okay, so now it's the next day. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. I did my makeup and whatnot because obviously I got somewhere to be. Okay, I'm also going to be using my Lotta Body edge control and my favorite edge control brush. So yeah, let's get to it. I'm gonna show you how it looks. As you see, I have like these little curls at the end, which are so cute. They're super, like I said, you still have the curls and the braids are still defined. So I'm going to go ahead and take all this down, then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you how I start to style it and start to add more volume. Okay, so now that I have taken all of my braid out, I am going to go ahead and shake my hair. Try to get that volume that I do desire. I don't want to separate the braids much, just so that it can still look full and chunky, but this is how it looks, and I'm pretty pleased with it. I'm just going to take my fingers, run it through my scalp to give that volume. I'm going to go ahead and get some of my Lotta body, my edge control. Get some of that on them edges, baby. Jeez. Alright, so put that on there. Obviously I put a lot, but so this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Just wanted to give you another option for a hairstyle. Thank you for watching my channel, mi bellas. If you like this look, go ahead and hit that like button. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification button so that you know when I'm posting.